Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. It is a continuation part of third session. In last video I was discussing about the number of particles present in a unit cell or number of atoms in a unit cell. Just listen here. Before going to calculation of number of particle present in a simple cube, BCC and FCC, first we should understand this table. Just see here, position of the atom, number of unit cells with which shared, contribution towards the one unit cell. Just see here, position of the atom. If the atom present at the corner of the cube, then that corner particle or atom shared by 8 unit cells. 8 unit cell. So each corner atom contribute towards the one unit cell is 1 by 8. Or contribution of each corner atom towards the one unit cell is 1 by 8. Similarly, see here, to understand that, see here first. See, these are the corner atoms. You can take it as a unit cell. The smallest portion of this crystal lattice is called as unit cell. See, this shaded part is called as unit cell, one unit cell. If we are repeating this unit cell in a different direction, you will get a crystal lattice. So this is one unit cell, and here one unit cell is there, and here one unit cell is there, here one unit cell is there, and here one unit cell. So here unit cell, it is also unit cell, and back side it is unit cell. So here totally 8 unit cells are there. Okay, totally 8 unit cells are there in this crystal lattice. So many unit cells are present in the crystal lattice, but in this diagram only 8 unit cells are there. Okay, just see here, these are the corner particles or corner atoms. These are the corner atoms. This corner atom is also shared among 8 unit cells. This is also shared among 8 unit cells. This is also shared among 8 unit cells. Each corner atom shared among 8 unit cell. Just see here, for example, this unit cell. Consider this corner atom. This corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell. So see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 unit cells are there. This corner atom shared by 8 unit cell means the contribution of this corner atom towards one unit cell is 1 by 8th part of this atom, because this atom shared by 8 unit cell. So each unit cell gets 1 by 8th part of this corner atom. Similarly, it is same for all the corner atom. Okay, so if you understood this, you can easily understand the number of particles present in the simple cubic unit cell, face centered cubic unit cell, and body centered cubic unit cell. Just see here first. So just now I said the position of the atom. Just see here, position of the atom and the number of unit cells with which shared, contribution towards the one unit cell. See, corner atom. If the corner atom is, already I said you, corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell. Hence the contribution of corner atom towards the one unit cell is 1 by 8. Similarly, if the particle present at the edge center, that is shared by 4 unit cells. If it is shared by 4 unit cells, then contribution of that edge center particle towards one unit cell is 1 by 4. Just see here example. See here, this is one unit cell, this is one unit cell, this is one unit cell, and this is one unit cell. Total 4 unit cells are present in this diagram. In that, See, if the particle present here, that is a edge center particle. If it is present here, edge center particle, it is also an edge. So this is also edge. This edge having one particle. The particle present at the edge center. This particle shared to this unit cell as well as to this unit cell as well as this unit cell as well as to this unit cell. This atom shared among 4 unit cells. Hence, the contribution of this edge center particle towards 1 unit cell is 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4, to this 1 by 4 portion, to this 1 by 4 portion, to this 1 by 4 portion, total 1. So 1 by 4 into 4 equal to, cancel 1 is remaining 1. So the contribution of edge center particle to 1 unit cell is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Similarly, face center. If the atom present at the face center, then it is shared among 2 unit cell. So contribution of face center atom towards 1 unit cell is 1 by 2. Okay, just see here. So this is a face centered unit cell. So here one particle is there. If another unit cell is present adjacent to this unit cell, then this atom is only one atom is present between 2 unit cell. If the another unit cell present adjacent to this unit cell, then this atom is present between 2 unit cell. Means half portion of this atom is contribute towards this unit cell and half portion of this atom is contribute towards the another unit cell. Means the contribution of this face centered particle towards 1 unit cell is 1 by 2 or half. Hence the contribution towards the 1 unit cell is 1 by 2. Similarly, body centered, if the atom present at the body center, see this, if the particle present in the body center, the body center particle, then that is shared by only 1 unit cell. It doesn't shared between any other unit cell. It is present only in 1 unit cell because it is doesn't shared between other unit cells. It means the contribution towards 1 unit cell is only 1. Body centered particle doesn't share between any other unit cell, hence contribution towards the 1 unit cell is only 1. It is present in middle portion of the unit cell. Okay, so just see here, once again see this table. Okay, see here, just see here, here the number of particle per unit cell of simple cubic or the number of particle present in the simple cubic unit cell. The particles are present only at the 8 in simple cubic unit cell. Already you know that the particles present only at the corners of the cube, corners of the unit cell. So the particles are present at 8 corners of the cube, 8 corners of the cube. From each corner, contribution per unit cell is 1 by 8. See here, from each corner, contribution per unit cell is 1 by 8. How many corner atoms are there here? 8 are there. each corner atom donating to this unit cell is 1 by 8. So from this 1 by 8 portion, 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 from this 1 by 8 to, so total 8 corner atoms are there, hence 1 by 8 into 8. So 8 get cancel each other, you will get 1. So the number of particle present in the simple cubic unit cell is 1. See here, therefore the number of particle present per unit cell is 1. I think you understood this. The number of particle present in the per unit cell is 1. Similarly, the number of particles per unit cell of body centered cubic, or else the number of particle present the body centered cubic unit cell. See here, already I said you BCC means the along with the one or more particle present at the body center along with or addition to the corner particles. According to definition, the particles are present at the 8 corners and at one at the body center. See here, the particle present at the 8 corners as well as the one particle present in the body, or it is present at the center of the body. See here, from each corner, it is also not a 1 by 8 portion, 1 by 8 portion, 1 by 8 portion, 1 by 8 portion. How many corner atoms are there? 8 corner atoms are there. 8 corner atoms. Each corner atom donating 1 by 8th part of that atom. So, see here, from each corner, the contribution per unit cell is 1 by 8 into 8, that is equal to 1. Okay. The particle present at the body center of the cube, this center particle, it doesn't shared among any unit cell. It is belongs to this unit cell only. Hence, the particle present at the body center of the cube is 1. Therefore, the number of particle per unit cell, that is 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So, the number of particle present per unit cell of body centered cubic is 2. Or number of particle present in the BCC is 2. Similarly, the number of particles per unit cell of face centered cubic or FCC, number of particle present in a FCC. See, same here also same. Here also same thing. From each corner, contribution per unit cell is, means same here also. As I said before, see here. See here. Here also same thing. So these are the corner particles. Each corner particle donating 1 by 8th portion, hence here 8 corner atoms are there, 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1. Then face centered means the along with the corner atoms, the particles present at the center of each face. So 4 faces, then back face and front face. Total 6 atoms are present at the faces. See here, this face center particle shared among 2 unit cells. So to this unit cell adjacent, again one more adjacent unit cell is present. So this unit cell is this face centered atom shared among 2 unit cell. Hence the contribution of this face centered particle to 1 unit cell is 1 by 2. So such type of particles, 6 particles are there, hence 1 by 8 into 6, that is equal to 3. So the number of particles per unit cell of FCC, that is equal to 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. So it is from corner particle and it is from the face centered particle, that is equal to 4. The number of particle present per unit cell of FCC is 4. Once again I'll repeat, the number of particle present per unit cell of simple cubic is 1. The number of particle present per unit cell of body centered cubic is 2. The number of particles present per unit cell of FCC is 4. So I already done some solution. Just see here, this is very important for the point of annual examination. Among 3, any one they may ask in annual exam. These are very important. For 2 marks they will ask any one of these. Okay, this is very important. You should learn carefully. Okay, thank you students. Next I'll discuss some more concept in the further video. Thank you.